Turn around and say hello. Oh, thanks for burping. I appreciate it.
Hands are falling down.
You're what?
Hands are falling down.
That fish over there stinks. I've been poking it with a stick. Here, let's get another stick and let's poke it. Let's see. Ooh, that looks like a good stick. It's a catfish. And it's oozing white stuff. Boy, does that stink! Okay. Okay, so here we have another dead fish. His eyes are like jelly. You squeeze them. Ew, Pop! See, they don't like me.
Good. Leave them alone. Yeah, that water ain't that clean today.
No, it isn't.
Yeah,
Does it get cleaner then or not really?
Not really.
Not really?
It was oozing bile.
Oh, leave your feet.
Woo! Ugh. I pressed this and it I don't know, it popped. Ew. Yuck. There's the other one from yesterday. Oh, yuck. Fascinating. But quite disgusting. Ugh.